AI is coming for your job. And your CEO's job, too. That is not hype. That is a direct warning from Fiverr CEO Micha Kaufman. And instead of softening the message, he said it out loud to his entire company. His belief is simple. If a car is speeding toward you, you do not whisper. You shout. That is what real leadership looks like in the age of AI. Right now, most companies are repeating a historic mistake. When the steam engine first appeared, people strapped it to horse carriages. Useful, yes. Revolutionary, no. The real transformation came later with the automobile. That is where AI is today. We are bolting it onto old workflows, automating emails, summarizing documents, replacing tasks where humans acted like robots. This raises the floor for everyone. What used to be hard is now basic. What used to impress is now expected. And here is the uncomfortable truth. AI does not give you superpowers. Because if everyone has the same tools, nobody has an advantage. The edge is human judgment, taste, creativity, experience. The things AI cannot copy. Kaufman says velocity matters more than speed. Velocity means moving fast with direction, running experiments, learning quickly, failing cheaply. The companies that win are not the ones with the best models. They are the ones that adapt the fastest. That is why Fiverr focuses on personalized AI, not generic tools. AI that understands how you work, decide, and think. That is where real leverage comes from. Here is the paradox. Kaufman wants AI to replace 100% of current work. Not to eliminate people, but to free them. Free them to focus on strategy, judgment, and the non-automatable parts of leadership. Curiosity becomes the most important skill. Not blind automation, not lazy prompting. Deep understanding and constant reinvention. AI will displace jobs. It will happen fast. Most AI startups will fail. But this is not the end of work. It is the elevation of what work means. If you want to stay relevant, stop asking how AI can help you do the same job faster. Start asking how it frees you to do work only humans can do. If this video sharpened your thinking, like it, subscribe, and comment with how AI is changing your work right now. And do not stop here. Watch the related video in the corner to learn how to turn AI into real business leverage, not noise.